Good afternoon. Thank you for calling my apartments.
Hi there. This is Lieutenant Tuck Pendleton. I'm calling you from the International Space Station up in space.
Yes. Oh, really?
Yes. Yep. We're passing overhead right now. We're about 200 miles up in space, right above your apartment.
You're 200 miles up in space.
Yep.
You're right above our apartment.
Yep.
Are you listening to this?
More or less.
The space station calling us. Yes. How can we help you, sir?
Well.
Can you see us?
Oh, no. Come on. Don't be ridiculous. We don't have binoculars up here.
But, I know. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
We're actually we're beaming. You have satellite dishes there. You let your residents have satellite dishes.
We're very restrictive, but yes, we do. We have a couple of them.
Okay, because
we have satellite dishes. Yeah.
For the past hour, we've been beaming high-powered microwaves down at your building, just blanketing the entire property in microwave beams.
Okay.
And those satellite dishes are reflecting the microwaves back up at us and causing all kinds of interference.
I see.
So is there any way you could get those down, like take those down real quick?
He says that satellite dishes, they're beaming microwave waves at us from up there, and those satellite dishes are beaming them back, and they want them removed.
Yeah, it sucks.
Is this for real, or is this a joke?
Oh yeah, no, it's completely real. It's something we do. Like every day around this time, we pass overhead over your building.
Every day?
Yeah, we're orbiting the Earth, so every day at this exact time we're right above your apartment.
I'm going to let you speak to our manager.
Okay.
Just one moment.
Hi, this is Kay.
Hey, Kay. This is Lieutenant Tuck Pendleton from the International Space Station.
Huh.
Yep. I know it's weird.
So
weird to get a call from an astronaut, but
yeah.
We have phones up here too,
Yeah, I'm impressed.
Yeah. Well, thank you, I guess.
How did you get the number? You did 411,
Yeah, we can call.
Directory?
I mean, we have internet and everything, but like right now we don't because we're beaming microwaves down like all over your building. We're just beaming high-powered microwaves at everything on your property.
Mm-hmm.
But where the satellite dishes are, it's beaming it back up at us, and it's causing all kinds of interference.
Okay. Just out of curiosity, why are you beaming microwaves down at us?
It's just kind of an experimental thing we're doing. We're just trying to figure out the effects on various materials, like roofing materials and grass and trees. So we're just we've been, like, for the past 30 days, we've been concentrating only on your apartment building. Like every day that we pass over, we just beam high-powered microwaves. It's safe.
Wow.
Don't worry about it.
Okay, so I'm not going to come down with brain cancer because of this?
No, not brain cancer.
Okay. So we only have, can you tell how many we have?
No, we can't really see. And yeah, they were going to send someone to drive over there, but they didn't have the budget.
Okay. So we have very few, so we should be able to identify them fairly quickly.
Okay.
So they need to be disabled.
Yeah, if they could just turn them off. Like right now, like your time, it's like 1:15, right?
Correct.
Okay, yeah, if you could just turn them off from like noon until maybe 2 p.m. That's the only time we're over, like right above your apartment building and beaming these high-powered, dangerous microwaves.
Right. Uh-huh. Okay. So how long will you be doing this experiment?
We're thinking like another 30 days, but possibly forever.
Possibly forever. Well, that is super cool that we're going to be part of the experiment that you're going to, publish one day in some awesome, astronaut journal?
I assume so. I just follow orders. I'm just a lieutenant, that's all.
Okay.
But,
all right.
Have you noticed any issues down there? Like the grass hasn't turned blue or anything?
No. We haven't grown extra appendages.
Okay,
that's none of the animals are acting strangely, so,
Have you noticed ghosts? Have they been visible?
No, we have seen no apparitions.
Okay, because, sometimes those microwaves, you don't know what's going to happen with them.
Yeah, if we knew what to look for, if you could say, hey, then maybe I could spot some things for you and give some feedback for your experiment.
Okay, well, if anything comes up, you've got my number on caller ID.
Right.
Just ask for Tuck. Just ask for Tuck.
I'm sorry, your name again?
Lieutenant Tuck Pendleton.
Tuck Pendleton.
Yep.
Pendleton. Okay. And you're being serious? Your number's going to be on caller ID?
Oh,
and I
yeah,
can call
yeah.
you.
Yeah, you can Google Lieutenant Tuck Pendleton. You'll see exactly who I am.
Okay, I'm super impressed. So when you come back to Earth, do you plan to come to London town? Part of the experiment? Will there be like pictures that you'll need to take, or
Not
we'll
me.
never meet you.
Probably just the lab people.
Just the lab people?
Yep.
Okay. Darn. Well, we were hoping maybe our names would be mentioned,
Oh, I'm sure it will, one way or another. I mean,
Okay.
depending on how the experiment goes.
Yeah. Well, so I'll be able to get like a copy of the report.
I think
or
it's
the
all
journal,
public information. Like, it's probably all on the NASA website.
on the NASA website.
Yeah, like, the
Okay.
NASA channel on TV, if you turn that on, like, right around this time every day, you'll see the
Yeah.
microwave beams going down, and we're right over Florida at that time.
I didn't know there was a NASA channel.
Oh, yeah, and it's like cable TV, the NASA channel. It usually just displays the Earth from the space station.
Wow. And from noon to 2, we would be able to see London town from space?
Well, no, not London town, but
Our area.
You just see the microwave beams coming down off of the thing, the magnetron.
The magnetron?
Yep. We got one mounted on the bottom of the space station, a really big one.
Wow. Well, Tallahassee has a super magnet. We have one of the largest high-powered
nice.
magnets
That's nice,
in the
honey.
country.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
at FSU.
It's not as
Cool.
big as ours, but yeah, it's pretty cool, I guess.
That is pretty cool. Yeah. Well, so what you should do is take pictures of the inside of the spaceship and your colleagues and email them to us so that we can see that you really exist.
Okay, yeah, or you can just Google me, because, I don't have time to, like, play your dumb little games.
Oh, that's right. You're you're busy with your experiments.
Yep.
You're correct. This is government money.
I
All
got
right.
shit to do up here, lady.
Okay, I got it. I totally understand. All right, so we will go around and see who is causing your interference, and we will take care of it.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I really appreciate it.
Okay, you're welcome.
Have a nice day.
Okay.
Thank you for serving your country.
I like to do my part.
Yep. I
All
really
right.
appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Tuck Pendleton, away!
Away! Okay. Bye-bye.